Hi, today I am going to teach you how to integrate Vanus AI with WhatsApp. First, I created a prompt. Your role is a customer bot that helps users buy a computer. Next, I went to the knowledge base and uploaded 2 files. One is about different questions my customer might have for me. Second is a list of all the computers I sell with specs and the amount I have in store. Now let's go to the Integrations tab and click on WhatsApp integration. We need to give a name to name our integration and click Authorize. It will create a QR code for us to scan. After the authorized message, click Create. Now let's test it by having a customer come message our app on WhatsApp.
Hi, I'm looking for a computer for my work.
Hello.
I'm Tech Assistant, and I'm here to help you find the perfect computer for your work. Can you provide me with some more information on what kind of work you do and any specific requirements you have?
I'm a developer, and I need a high-end PC.
Based on your requirements as a developer, I would recommend considering the Enterprise Elite 1000 model. Alternatively, if you are looking for a more budget-friendly option, the Business Pro 2000 model could be a good choice.
How many Enterprise Elite 1000 do you have in stock?
We currently have 5 units of the Enterprise Elite 1000 in stock.
Here was how to set up Vanus AI in WhatsApp. Thank you for watching.